Hi, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Marquise back on another video. So today I'm playing with my brothers and my dog, bro. Check it out. Oh, that little girl. She over here just non-stop snitching me. Come on, pass.
Huh?
Pass. Alright, bro. DJ, you gotta stop calling me. Give me that ball. Crap.
Hello.
Bro, she just going in circles, gay.
Let go.
Come on, pass. Yeah. Ow. Just tripped over this freaking root. Get it. Yo, she just kicked it over her butt, bro. Give me. Okay, you little cheater. Nah, there ain't no cheating in this game. Give me. Princess, give me. Right here. Get it. Come on, she coming. Oh, ain't go. She slipped right through your leg. Shut up. Come on, throw it. Speedball. Come on. Hey. Come here, princess. Come here, little girl. Give me the ball. Come on, get it. Okay, that's it. Ah.
Give me the ball.
Come on, throw it. Pass. Kasim, incoming. DJ, leave me alone. I'll block your ass. Hold up, y'all. Give me a minute. Gimme. Let's DJ. Give me the ball. Give it. Guys, incoming. DJ, get the ball. Pass. Bro, you bitch. Yeah.
Hello?
Tell me who I'm calling.
Y'all idiots, bro.
Tell me who
Wait.
Tell me who I'm calling.
It's me.
I'm calling you.
Yeah. Bro, why they keep leaving the light on? Whew. It's boring out here, bro. I just go in my room. My room ain't the cleanest, but I'll clean that in a minute. Give me a minute.